Tech Love Mama here, and I want to do a quick video on this product that was sent to me. It is a car mount for your phone, and I will show you everything that's included in the box, as well as a setup for it and how to use it and my thoughts on it. Let's get to it. Okay, so bear with me doing this one-handed. I was sent out this VanMast phone mount, and it comes with the plate so you can stick that on. So make sure you use something like rubbing alcohol to clean up your surface so it'll stick properly. And then I'm going to set it up. I got two options. I got a vent clip and I got this. On the bottom, you can see it has this protection on it, so I'm going to take this off. Okay, so now that I have it sticking, and once you get into the position that you want, you just click it down. Now I haven't decided if I want to use this or not, so I didn't do the sticky pad to stick to the surface, but if I decide to, I mean, I guess that's where it would go. Better yet, I think I might just put it right there. Putting this on. Alright. So you push this button and that expands it. You can just pull this down, and that comes down too. So you have these options to do the vent. So this is off the main part, and if you can see, it's on the vent. It's actually surprisingly pretty secure. The best vent one I've used by far. It won't, I mean, you can fit a relatively thick phone on here. Since I'm using my phone to record, I will have to get a different phone to show it. So that's it. And if you're interested in this item, the links will be in the description. And thank you for popping by, checking out my video. All likes and shares and comments are always appreciated. And until next time, bye.